Welcome to Pluralsight. You're watching the module installing the Extreme I/O. So let's go through the install process. It's going to seem like a lot of steps at first, but it's really not. It's actually pretty straightforward when you start going through it. You'll just need to understand, kind of the process and the different components. Make sure everything is cabled correctly. So this is the most important thing I can tell you to start. With the Extreme I/O, there is an install and cabling guide that comes with with your unit, and it goes over the different configurations with the number of bricks that you have. I don't get into that in the course, mainly because there's already a very good document that comes with it. It's kind of like a VCR installer doc, VCR really, DVD setup or a Blu-ray setup where it has colored cables that show you what to plug anything into. Make sure that everything is cabled correctly. Check those InfiniBand cables. It's really easy if you have just like a single brick with two controllers, or I guess even multiple bricks, you just go to the switch, but make sure they're plugged in the right way. There's little icons on the cables. Do those. Also,